So did you ever think like, oh, businesses that advertise are actually kind of desperate? If you were good at what you did, why do you have to advertise? The reality is, people who say that are just simply not business owners. They are simply not in business for themselves, and they don't have an education in business. And of course, nothing wrong with that. But I want to challenge your belief that the companies who advertise are somehow pathetic or desperate. The reality is, if you're a serious business, you have built in 20 to 30% of your budget all year round, 24/7 for the life of your business to constantly get people to your business, to the right people into your business. In fact, look at a company like Nike or AT&T. They still advertise, and you might think, why would they even advertise? They are so good at what they do. Why? Because serious businesses advertise, and they just advertise to remind us that they are the best about their newest product or whatever that might be. So the belief that, businesses that advertise are somehow desperate, no. Now that I'm a business owner, now that I've been in the business space for so many years, I realize the only companies that I want to do business with are businesses that are advertising, that are investing in their success, because I know that if they're spending money every single day of the business to advertise, they're a serious business and they're somebody that I want to do business with. So let me challenge you with